Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna and welcome to Code with BK. So in this video we write C++ code solution to LeetCode problem number 125, Valid Palindrome. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel. So this is the question, okay? Take a minute and give this a reading. So you are given an input string S and you have to check that after removing all non-alphanumeric characters, okay, is this a palindrome or not? Okay, convert all uppercase letters to lowercase letters and remove all non-alphanumeric characters. That is, the characters that should remain in the string are only letters and numbers. Okay, all right. So if you have done object oriented programming in C++, this is how we write private functions. So I need one function to clean the strings to remove all the non-alphanumeric characters. So I'm going to say string clean, okay, takes a string S, okay, returns the clean string. So returns the string containing only alphanumeric characters. Containing, okay. So all we need to do is we need to take a string cleaned as is blank and you have to eventually return cleaned string, okay. Iterate the entire string I less than s dot length I plus plus, okay. Get the ith character as ch, okay. Convert this to lower, okay. So to lower is an inbuilt function in cc type, that is ctype.h, that takes a character and converts it to lowercase. In this case, if ch is an uppercase letter, it is converted to lowercase letter. If it is not a letter, it remains the same, okay. So append this ch2 cleaned s if this is alphanumeric, okay. That is, if ch is alphanumeric, so you can use inbuilt functions or you can use ASCII value. So I'm going to use ASCII value greater than equal to a and ch less than equal to z, okay. So ch is in the range lowercase a to lowercase z, it means it is a lowercase character, lowercase letter, and we don't need to check for uppercase letter because we have already converted it to lowercase, okay. So checking it for letter, alphabets, okay, and then numeric, so greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 9, okay. If the character is in one of these categories, I append it to cleaned s, so I say dot pushback ch, okay. So this function is going to remove all the non-alphanumeric characters from this string s and return the clean string. Now we need to check if this clean string is a palindrome or not. So we take another helper function bool is palindrome. Oh, I'll take is palindrome helper, okay, takes the string s, okay. So all I have to do is iterate the first half of the string and check if the ith character from the left is equal to the ith character from the right or not. And to check if a string is palindrome or not, I have explained in great detail on a separate video. So if you're not very clear about this, I recommend that you take a look at that video first and then you come back here, okay. So if ith character from the right, which is s of I, is not equal to ith character from the left, which is going to be s dot length minus I minus 1, okay. If these two are not equal, it means this is not a palindrome and I return false, okay. Otherwise, if the loop completes, okay, I return true, because for the entire string the ith character from the left was equal to the ith character from the right for the first half of the string. It means this is a palindrome, and all I have to do is call the helper function and pass the clean string, okay. All right, checks if this string, okay, testing this, okay, all three cases are okay, submitting this, okay, beats 100%. All right, okay, okay. So this was the solution to this problem. All right, if you have any doubt, there's a part you don't understand, please let me know in the comments. I always try to answer all your comments, and you can also let me know in the comments if there's a question you want to solve or if there's a concept you want to discuss. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.